This research focuses on the importance of cleanliness during the COVID-19 pandemic. This study emphasizes the importance of our hands in our health, as it is exposed to bacteria and germs every day through the objects we touch. Hand washing with soap is one of the best ways to prevent sickness and diseases from spreading, because it kills germs our hands may harbor and can even lessen the risk of common coronavirus infection by 36%. However, based on the data from 2019, over 7 million Filipinos are unable to properly wash their hands because water and soap are unavailable.
In this study, the researchers aim to promote hand washing by making it faster and easier with the use of automation. The study aims to create an automatic hand washing station utilizing an Arduino and sensors. An Arduino board is an electric board that reads inputs and turns them into output, making it the most important component of our research. It comes in a complete package and can be utilized in many different ways. Meanwhile, sinks, especially faucets, are used by public to make it prone to different kinds of bacteria. Hand contact contamination and surface contamination could serve as microorganism reservoir and could lead to hand-to-hand contamination before or after hand washing. Therefore, with this study, hand contact contamination will be eliminated with the use of sensors to automatically dispense water and liquid soap, which makes hand washing faster, safer, and more convenient.
Statement of the problem. By lessening our contact with people as well as the use object in public places, we are preventing the infection and spread of the new novel coronavirus. This automatic water and liquid soap dispenser will be powered with the use of Arduino. These are the following questions that the researchers have come across. First question is, how effective is the automatic hand station in encouraging people to wash their hands? Followed by the question, how to set specified time when the faucet turns on and off. Lastly is how to control when and how the flow of water opens and closes.
This research also encourages the conservation of water because touchless sink characteristic can not only keep us healthy from infection, but can also save a large amount of water compared to ordinary sinks. In addition, the study seeks to see the efficacy of the automated hand washing station in motivating more individuals to wash their hands properly and regularly. The spread of disease can be avoided by providing hand washing stations for schools, workplaces, and the other areas such as rural areas, as good sanitation and proper hygiene can start by simply washing our hands.
The utilization of an automatic Arduino-powered hand washing station can create a significant positive effect on hand washing practices. Hand hygiene plays an important role in our health and safety as individuals as well as bigger groups like schools and communities. Several researchers have established a strong link between hand washing and bacteria transmission that may lead students and teachers into the risk of being infected and eventually affect their achievement and good performance. Proper hygiene and good sanitation is also extremely important in communities. By simply washing our hands regularly, we can be able to prevent these disasters from happening.
The research will focus on the implementation of the station in private and government offices, schools, markets, churches, malls, groceries, and etc. There should be a means where people can clean at least their hands. An automated water and soap dispenser controlled by sensors and timers is the most appropriate. When the sensor senses a user, the buzzer will emit sounds, the relay will open the faucet, and it will be metered to run 3 liters of water in 8 seconds per hand pre-washing. Then, the buzzer will produce sounds to let the user know that the liquid soap dispenser will dispense a scoop of soap in 1 second. Then, the system will stay idle in 30 seconds for the user to have time to soap his or her hand. The system resumes after the preset time with the buzzer emitting sounds to let the user know that the 30 seconds is done. The faucet will run 1.2 liters of water in 30 seconds for hand rinsing. After completing, the system goes back to standby mode until sensing the next user.
Gathering the specific materials is necessary in this experiment. To construct the station, attach a small sink on a metal frame with a solenoid valve attached to a pipe connected to a small water tank. The Arduino will be placed behind the sink, then the infrared sensor will be attached onto the end of the pipe with a solenoid valve and buzzer. To set up the Arduino IR sensor and buzzer, the IR sensors VCC, GND, and signal pin will be connected to the Arduino's 3.5 GND and 8th pin respectively. The buzzer will be connected to pin 9 and the GND of the Arduino. Then for the Arduino solenoid valve and relay, first prepare a 12 volts adapter connected to a female jack and connected to a step-down buck converter, then connect the positive side of the female jack to the positive pin of the solenoid valve. The negative side of the jack will be attached to the common pin of the relay, with the solenoid's negative pin attached to the normally open pin of the relay. Then the in pin of the relay will be connected to the 11th pin of the Arduino. while the GND and VCC will be connected to the Arduino's GND and 5-volt pin respectively. Then to set up the peristaltic pump, just apply the same steps as the solenoid valve with another relay, but with the IN pin of the relay connected to the 12 pin of the Arduino. A code must then be programmed through the Arduino IDE to alternately dispense water and liquid soap in a specified time and for the buzzer to produce sounds. The necessary data to be gathered will be based on the utilization of the hand washing station to determine its effectiveness in promoting hand washing.
Cost analysis: 1 metal frame, 1 solenoid valve, 1 Arduino Uno, 15 jumper wires, 1 resistor, 1 plastic pipe, 1 small water tank, 1 infrared inductive proximity sensor, 1 stainless sink, 1 antibacterial liquid hand soap, 1 peristaltic pump, 1 adapter, 1 electric buzzer, 1 buck converter, 1 silicon hose, 1 jack adapter, 2 relay module that has a total of 4,270 and divided by 533.75 per student.